National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Amelia County in central Virginia, southeastern Cumberland County in central Virginia, southwestern Powhatan County in central Virginia, northeastern Prince Edward County in central Virginia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Rice, or 6 miles northeast of Farmville, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near Cumberland around 6:35 p.m. Sunnyside and Moorhead around 6:40 p.m. Tobaccoville around 6:45 p.m. Ballsville around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous storm include Angola, MCR 80, Rodolfo, Painville, Gray Siding, Oak Forest, Clinton, and Bologna. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
US only. What happened, man?